Dashcams have come a long way since they were first introduced in the 1980s. Yes, they're already that old. Back then, only a few people had access to these devices, but over the years, they've become a lot more compact in size and more affordable, meaning more people use them. Today, most drivers on the road have a dashcam installed in their vehicle. They not only provide video evidence for insurance claims in case of accidents and the like, but also protect drivers from corrupt traffic enforcers and any other occurrences that may happen while you're driving on the road. But even though dashcam technology has improved a lot over the years in terms of video recording length and even quality, most dashcams still have one weakness: nighttime recording. The video quality often becomes grainy and you lose a lot of detail once the sun goes down. I mean, it's the same with cameras. I mean, these are dash cams after all. So it can be hard to find that car that sideswiped you or what, since you can't really find the plate number or read them. But now, 70mi has introduced their latest lineup of dash cams that feature the Sony STARVIS 2 technology that not only capture sharper videos, but also have improved video quality for nighttime driving. And today, we're checking out one of those models. This is one, the 70mi A510. I'm Jose from Yugatech, and let's get right into this video. The brand 70mi is somewhat of a newcomer in the dashcam market, established only in 2016. But over the years, the brand has quickly built up its reputation and is now one of the most popular dashcam manufacturers in the world. In 2021, which is just 5 years since it was established, 70mi achieved a global presence and sold over 1.5 million units to 103 countries worldwide. Today, we're checking out the relatively new 70mi A510 dashcam. On paper, it offers everything that other dashcams can do. The front camera captures footage up to a maximum of 3K 1944p resolution with an ultra-wide 130-degree field of vision that can cover up to 4 lanes of traffic. As a result, it doesn't use the standard 16:9 format most dashcams or videos have for that matter, and instead shoots in a 4:3 aspect ratio. Although you can still shoot in the 16:9 format, just change it in the settings. To give you a preview of what the dashcam is seeing, there is a 2-inch IPS display. It's not a touchscreen though, so you will have to use the 4 buttons below to navigate the menu and settings. And unlike most dashcams that have a suction mount, this one uses adhesive instead. With that said, be sure that both dashcams are leveled before installing. And I highly recommend, if you're doing this by yourself, have a friend with you just so make sure everything is steady. And the only adjustments you have are the rotating lens, which you can move up and down. Interestingly, the adhesive used is not the usual 3M gray tape that comes with most dashcams, which should make it easier to remove. But it does include electrostatic stickers that are easy to remove, which you apply beforehand before it's applying the dashcam itself. As mentioned earlier, the 70mi A510 also supports dual channel recording, allowing users to capture both front and rear views. You also have a preview of both the front and rear from the 2-inch display. There are also built-in GPS that logs running speed, time, and even geographic coordinates. As for the included rear camera, it can record up to 1080p, and do note that only the front dashcam uses the STARVIS 2 sensor. Our unit even comes with a 4G dongle that allows users to be connected to the dashcam 24/7. Useful in the event your parked car is hit, and in case that does happen, you will be notified through your phone via the 70mi app. You can even check out what's happening at the moment live, and for those who are forgetful, you can also use the app to see where your vehicle is located. Do note that you do have to install a SIM card into the 4G dongle in order for it to work. And depending on where you order your unit, this 4G dongle might not be included in the package and might be sold separately from the dashcam itself. More importantly, this one is a bit harder to install by yourself, and I recommend you getting professional help. But wait, don't other dashcam manufacturers offer the same stuff as the 70mi A510? Well, there is one big difference, and as I mentioned earlier, it's the camera sensor within the front dashcam. It uses the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, which is not only very capable during the day, but also captures sharp footage at night. And what makes it different from other sensors? The STARVIS 2 uses a back illuminated structure as compared to a traditional front illuminated sensor. As a result, more light is let in, improving low light performance, less noise, and giving users better dynamic range through an HDR option that we can toggle through the settings. Outside of dashcam, these sensors are also being used in CCTVs, so you have great performance because CCTVs and dashcams, pretty much the same. To give you a better idea of just how capable this dashcam is, we have some footage of the 70mm A510 dashcam being used in different kinds of conditions. At the same time, we also have footage taken on a different dashcam that was previously installed in my car. During the day, the difference in quality isn't that obvious. It's only when you try to zoom in that the difference in quality shows. You see more details from the streets, and you can even read the street signs a lot more clearly. Thanks to the ultra-wide field of view and the unique aspect ratio, there's also a lot more footage for you to work with. However, it's at night when the STARVIS 2 sensor on the A510 really shines. And as you can see from the footage taken here, there's a lot less grain on the 70mm A510 as compared to the dashcam I was using before. And since you do get a lot more detail, you can make out the plates of the vehicle a lot more easily. Since the dashcam can see better at night, you don't have to worry about accidents that might occur during your late night drives. I mean, they are called accidents and you don't know when they're gonna occur. If you can predict when an accident's gonna happen, of course you don't want to get into one. Even on the off chance you get into a hit and run accident, you'll still be able to see the make, model, and more importantly, the plate number of the vehicle even late at night thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor. And from there, you can use the footage, send it to the authorities, and have the vehicle tracked down or more. The other features also help a lot too. When you use the 70My app, even though you might not need it, it's nice to be able to check out your vehicle from the comfort of wherever you may be. Do note that you do need to create an account first in order for you to use it properly. To some drivers, dashcams may not be important, but having one does help, especially when you're out on the road often. On the off chance that you do get into an accident, whether during the day or at night, it really helps. And by having a capable dashcam like the 70mm A510 that can capture footage well in almost all lighting conditions, you will have peace of mind when you're driving. For those of you interested in the 70mm A510 dashcam, it is available at various stores nationwide, or you can always just head to Banawe. I mean, it's all available there. It's also available on the official 70my Shopee and Lazada stores with prices varying depending on the package options, whether you get the 4G dongle and the micro SD card, or you just want the front camera. So, are you in the market for a new dashcam for your vehicle? And would you consider the 70my A510? I would. I'm very impressed with the one on my vehicle right now. Share your thoughts though in the comments below. And if you found this video informative or helpful, do drop a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Saya, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.